Hello everyone. IIT admissions 2026 are now open. And if you are planning for higher studies through GATE, this is a very important update you should not miss. First, let me give you a quick overview. In India, we currently have 23 IITs and many of these institutes have started releasing their application forms of postgraduate programs like MTech, MS by Research and PhD across various specializations such as electrical, mechanical, civil, computer science and more. Now here is the most important thing. Admissions are not done through a single portal. Each IIT has its own application process and deadline. Most of the deadlines are failing in April 2026, so you need to act quickly and apply as early as possible. To apply, you have to visit the official website of each IIT individually and submit your application. Make sure you carefully check the eligibility criteria, required documents and deadlines before applying. Now let's talk about COAP, which many students get confused about that. COAP stands for Common Offer Acceptance Portal. It's not an application platform. It's only used to view and accept the admission offer you receive from different IITs. So remember this clearly. You must separately to each IIT and then use COAP to accept your offers. Through these IIT programs, you will get high quality education, excellent research opportunities and in many cases, a monthly stipend as well. IITs also provide a strong placement opportunities and exposure to advanced technologies which can help you build a successful career. If you are currently in your final year or have already completed your degree, this is the right time to apply. Even if you are planning for future attempts, understanding this process now will help you in prepare better. Also, don't focus only on older IITs. Many second generation and newer IITs also offering excellent education, modern infrastructure and great research opportunities. In my upcoming videos, I will guide you step by step on how to apply for each IIT and how COAP works in detail and how to choose the right institute based on your GATE score. So make sure you stay connected and don't miss these important updates. Start applying today and take one step closer to your IIT dream.